Look at the balance, brothers and sisters. Love of Allah, fear of Allah, hope in Allah. Look at the balance. Nabbihum. Tell them as well. Tell them what? Naam. نبئ عبادي أني أنا الغفور الرحيم وأن عذابي هو العذاب الأليم. And that my punishment is a severe punishment. Tell them that as well. So that when they sin, they will repent. Subhanallah, I mentioned it in the khutbah and I'll say it again. One of the scariest things I've seen is people justifying their disobedience after Ramadan. They're justifying why they're going to go back to partying after Ramadan. Why they're going to go back to uncovering after Ramadan. Why they're going to go back to getting high after Ramadan. They're making excuses now. وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ. One of the reasons, these people, they do not know Allah as they should know Allah. They don't know Allah Azza wa Jalla as they should know Him. Why? Because if you know that Allah Azza wa Jalla is al-Ghafur al-Rahim, He is the forgiving, the most merciful, but also know that Allah is severe with His punishment.